What's up guys? Today we're gonna have a lot of fun with the Axial Yeti. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is here with us today. Popeye is guarding the house because he is the best big guard dog in the world. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. It has been forever, probably years, since you've seen the Axial Yeti on our channel, but this is absolutely one of my all-time favorites, and I have had it since the first day I bought it for myself. And I'm also testing a new Ovonic 5000 milliamp 2-cell LiPo battery in this, which is probably going to run for like 2 hours in here. So we'll have the truck, we'll have the battery linked in the description box below, but check this out. We found this cool rocky area in a nice residential spot close to home. There's some ditches and things we're gonna drive around and in, and then I'll probably get a few cool shots in this area with one of my new favorite budget-friendly, very nice camera drones. So we'll have that linked in the description box below too. Amelia's out here with us, so let's just have some fun. This is officially a rock racer, so I thought because this spot isn't like very steep, it might be kind of cool to really get into this. Yeah, this is awesome. Like Abby, your favorite rock crawler couldn't zap over that so quickly, could it? Look at this thing go. I'm not even full throttle. I don't want to hit anything really hard because I still have a lot of plastic parts in here, but that is a rock racer if I ever saw one. This thing is so awesome. I can't believe I've waited this long to drive this out here with you guys. This is so cool. Woo! Don't make it up that, don't you laugh. There we go. Oh no!
I'll get it. That was close. Which way? Don't do that. Nice.
That is like what this truck was made to do. This is awesome. What other hobby can you guys get into where you can bring the whole family out, even a little 5-month-old baby, which by the way, she is 5 months old today, and just, I can hang out with her, stand here by her, pop that binky back in her mouth, and still have fun with these trucks. And then, you know, when I'm home watching Amelia, let's say I break something while I'm out today, I can either A, try to fix it, B, look for replacement parts, or C, upgrade the parts with metal, which is what is awesome about Axial. They just have so many options out there. I need to put a light bar on this, don't I?
Yes, you do.
That light bar that I have, it's amazing, and it's only like 20 bucks. I'll have to link that down there for you guys too. And this thing, I mean, it might look like to you guys that this is going kind of slow, but if you're familiar with rock crawlers, even at this speed, this is really fast going over these rocks. But if I wanted to, I mean, I can go nice and slow. I just need maybe a little bit more clearance on some nasty spots, but this thing is just a beast. It is so much fun, a rock racer. Now, are you guys as sad as I am about the Axial Yeti XL being discontinued? I have a Yeti XL and I love it, but with that sale, when it hit, when they were like basically discontinuing the ready to run version, if I would have known that was coming, I probably would have got at least one more Yeti XL. But that brings up the question, what is your favorite Yeti? Do you like the Yeti? Isn't there a Yeti Junior? Yeah, we have
the original Yeti Junior, and they've come out with like another Yeti one, little Yeti guy.
I think the standard Yeti is amazing, but then the Yeti XL is a blast in the snow and stuff. But I want to know what your guys' favorite, I'll widen the question for you. What's your favorite Axial truck? It doesn't have to be a Yeti. I'd love to hit these rocks like full throttle, but I know that would just break so much of my truck. But look how fast that conquers those rocks. It's crazy.
Can I try?
Oh, absolutely, yes. Oh, are you already stuck? Do you not know how to drive the Yeti?
I don't even know if I've ever driven this.
Oh my gosh, you might not. You maybe haven't. Look at it just conquer those rocks. Isn't that awesome? Now when you turn on something like that concrete, you have to kind of slow down or it will roll over. This isn't necessarily a review video, guys. I mean, we've kind of reviewed this in the past. This is just, hey, look at our awesome Yeti that we love so much so that we've had it this long, and we just want to show you guys it's still running, still awesome, one of the best four-wheel drive trucks out there. I mean, I love how it looks, I love its performance, I love the upgraded options out there. It's just, it can go over anything. There you go. Awesome. What do you think, since you've never driven this thing?
Fun.
Compared to a rock crawler, what do you think?
It's fun because it's a little faster.
Right.
You can really conquer the rocks quickly. It's a whole different little game to play.
Yes. And what do you guys think about this spot? I know we had a rocky spot that we had picked out, but it was kind of busy, so we drove around looking for another spot we could try, and we found this. So of the two spots where Abby drove her yellow color, what was that, I always forget the name of that. What's your yellow color? Yeah, your Ascender. Versus this spot, what do you like more? Because, oh, that was a big rock. That stick gotcha. My turn. Now with all these rocks, you guys are probably wondering what the bottom of the truck looks like. Honestly, for that plastic plating, it looks pretty good.
It has like chalky. It just looks chalky. Yeah.
But it's holding up really well. Well, I think having that last flip you just did there, that's a good sign for us to move down to where I saw the dirty little like valley. So let's go drive over there.
Amelia, your toy is on the ground.
Oh no, did you throw that there? Did you throw your bike?
What are you doing?
There you go. We're having fun today, aren't we? All right, this spot looks pretty cool. I mean, I love when you have that kind of orange clay. I thought this would be like a fun, more crawling session with it. Kind of doing a little bit of challenging driving, not just rock racing. It's definitely a harder spot to drive. Oh my gosh.
I get it.
I think a car's coming.
Okay, take two.
Thanks for the reset. I think I'm gonna have to go up and out and around. Let's see. There we go. Can I get in here? Yeah, oh, I just need a little bit more clearance.
Oh! Okay, hit it faster?
Yeah, that's what this thing is all about.
Yeah, just speed. Go. Oh my gosh! Come on! Let's go. Oh my gosh! Alright, I'll get it. Do that again, that was cool. Nice! You did it! Oh my gosh. This wants to attack it. I'm so scared of a snake popping out. Oh, so scared. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yay! Whoa, you went there. Why'd you go that way?
I don't know.
All right, let's see what you can do.
Well, there's that little lip there.
Oh, your tire got stuck.
Yeah, what's going on?
Your front right.
No. Oh.
Hold on, give it some juice. Oh, you did it!
I gotta get some speed to go up and around this, because I cannot.
Please don't kill me.
So it's like an inverted climb.
Oh my gosh, don't break your trick.
No, I just gotta get angle.
Oh wow. No!
There we go.
No!
Hey, checkpoint, I made it. Okay, so here's what I want to do on this part. I have a different route I'm going to go.
Your different route? Oh my goodness. Whoa! Kicking up the dirt and rocks.
Oh man. Sorry. There we go.
Nice. Uh-oh. Oh man, your back wheels. Ah, I should not have gotten closer. Oh my gosh. Please don't kill me. It's hard to film back here. Oh my god.
Oh, man.
My foot! My shoes!
Okay, alright, I can't do it. Well, sometimes the spot you pick is just a little too tough, but that was a fun challenge, and if I had all day, we could just stay here and try to get through that valley, you know, recovering each other, passing off the controls. But we have poor little Amelia with us, so we don't want to take forever, but I still think that's fun. I mean, we still progressed through the valley, we just did not make it all the way up it. That is a fun, challenging spot. If you guys don't own an Axial, I would highly, highly recommend you get one. And if you are a first-time Axial buyer, the Yeti Rock Racer would be a really good first one because it's so well-rounded. You can bash it, you can drive it, you can ramp it, you can crawl it if you want to. It's gonna have the amazing runtime if you put a nice 5,000 milliamp LiPo battery in there like the one from Ovonic. We'll have the truck and the battery linked in the description box below. And can you guess what drone I'm using for the drone shots throughout this video? We'll have that linked in the description box below too. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!